Hey guys, I just want to tell you about my awesome Banana Beast basketball jersey. I got it from fcustom.com, where you can make your own customizable football, baseball, and basketball jerseys, as well as custom hoodies. It's perfect for sports teams, sports fans, and unique creative people like me and you. When you purchase your custom jersey from fcustom.com, make sure you use code KDBBM for a 10% discount. I will earn a sales commission and it helps out me and the show. Remember, code KDBBM to get 10% off on fcustom.com. Thank you. For my basketball jersey, I was able to choose my front number, 30 in this case. Why? Because I'm 30 years old. Back number 30, also because I'm 30 years old. My team name, Banana Beast. And I chose my first name as my first name. Not very clever there. But here are some other examples of what others have created. Remember, code KDBBM to get 10% off on fcustom.com.